Anin Boujou, band members. Today is Wednesday, June 30th. And starting off with the COVID data, yesterday in Aiken County, 1,390. Today the same, no increase. Crow Wing, yesterday, 6,828. For Crow Wing, no increase, so the same. Yesterday, Mille Lacs, 3,118, and today the same, no increase. Yesterday in Pine County, 3,350, and today 3,351. So there was a one increase in Pine County, but the day before in Pine County there wasn't an increase. So that shows that the vaccines are working, that we're containing this disease, and even though there are some that are still testing positive for the COVID-19 disease, we can at least know that the majority of us that are starting or have been vaccinated, that we're holding off the disease. Of course, a lot of the discussion is that this new variant that's there, it's called the Delta variant. That's not the proper medical term, but that's what folks are being tested positive for. So again, if you do have the opportunity and think that you would do better with this disease, the potential of getting the disease with a vaccine, please do so. And the clinic is open on Wednesdays for that, and that information is on the Facebook. Also today, band assembly is where each of the three commissioners were sworn in, and Associate Justice David Sam was the one who swore in the commissioners. And I'm going to take the opportunity, let each of the commissioners make a statement, introducing them, going outside for that. So today was a special day. We had the swearing in of three of the new commissioners for the upcoming 4-year term. And the three that were sworn in today by David Sam in the band assembly chambers was Peter Nayquonabe, Commissioner of Administration, Nicole Anderson, the Commissioner of Health and Human Services, and Maria Costello, the Assistant Commissioner of Administration. So by band statute, I nominate, there's confirmation hearings, ratifications, and then the individual is sworn in to serve a 4-year term. These three individuals are confirmed and sworn in today. I'm very excited about it. So I wanted to introduce them and also have them take a moment to also introduce themselves and to make a little statement to you, the band member. I would like to first start off with the Commissioner of Administration, Peter Nayquonabe. Pete?
Hi, thanks, Chief Benjamin. I'm excited. So a new adventure in this 4-year term I think is exciting. I'm again here to serve the band members. I am appreciative to the Chief for nominating me, the band assembly for ratifying me, and then all this support that we had today. I look forward to working with all the employees, pushing new projects and services forward, and just excited about this next 4 years. So if you need me, reach out and I will return your call. Thank you.
And I'd like to take the opportunity now to introduce Nicole Anderson, the Commissioner of Health and Human Services.
Hello everyone, Nicole Anderson, Commissioner of Health and Human Services. Super grateful and excited to be here today and given this opportunity to serve the community. Thankful to the Chief Executive for putting my name forward, and thankful to the band assembly for confirming that. I'm here for everyone at any time, so reach out if there's anything you need, and I look forward to the next 4 years. Thank you.
I'd like to introduce the Assistant Commissioner of Administration, Maria Costello.
Good afternoon, band members. I want to say miigwech to Chief Benjamin for nominating me, and miigwech to the band assembly and the district reps for ratifying me. I look forward to this opportunity to serve the community and band members for the next 4 years, and I'll be available to assist and help in any way in making sure that we can strive in our community together. Miigwech.
And with that, I'd like to say have a good holiday weekend, stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.